Hey y'all, hey, Amanda here, and today we are filming my winter AllTrue box unboxing. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So this box just got here a couple of days ago. I've had it sitting, I think, 2 days. And here are some items that came in it. We have this really beautiful postcard, this lovely illustration or painting. And it's an actual postcard. You can actually use it. I've got my one from the fall box just hanging on my little corkboard over here, and I'll probably put this over there too because the art they include on these is really pretty. So I like keeping it around. Next thing we have is the little booklet that has a few different like little write-ups in the back, little interesting articles about some of the products, but it also contains all the product descriptions for every product that was an option this month. And my heat just turned on, so I'm sorry if you can hear that in the background, but there's nothing we can do about that because it is like freezing outside, literally. I think it's like 37, so just barely not freezing, whatever. So we will be accessing this as I read to you all the descriptions for the items that I picked for this particular box. So let's go ahead and look at our first category choice product. The options for the first category were a poncho, a stainless steel set of containers, a foldable yoga mat, a plush throw blanket, or the item that I picked, which was the carry-on travel weekender. So it says it's $158 value. It's by Referral Links. Travel light in style. Made with canvas and vegan leather, this weekender bag is a sleek, sophisticated selection curated for spontaneous weekend road trips or just the essential flights. It's the considered details that make this carry-on a standout. The removable crossbody strap adds versatility. The outside zip pocket keeps boarding passes handy, and the interior compartment separates your clean clothes from your muddy hiking shoes, wet snow gloves, or sandy beach towels. You get the idea. It's LGBTQ owned. Referral Links partners with Feeding America to donate meals and has donated over 5 million meals and counting. Sustainable, cruelty-free, vegan. So let's go ahead and look at the product. It came in this little dust bag. Here is the bag itself. So it's got the medium brown vegan leather on all of the details. So straps, zippers, and this bottom part that zippers open. And then the rest is canvas. And so this part is the part where they're talking about zippering open to put wet things, dirty things, cold things. Let me unzip that to show you. So it opens up. It'd be a good place to put shoes, I think. Or I guess if you're going to the beach, you could put wet stuff in there. And on the back, it has the strap so it can slide onto the handle of a carry-on bag, which is what I liked. I had been looking for a bag that had that feature. That was something that I didn't mind getting beat up, because if you're traveling, things get beat up. And since I clearly didn't pay $158 for this, I don't mind if it gets beat up. And on that note, I did want to say I don't think this should be evaluated at $158. I know looking at the brand's website, items are that price and even more expensive, but I don't think the finishes are there in this bag. Like there's lots of this, for example, like just random strings and bits, even on the inside, back here, random strings. It just isn't finished in a way that's high quality. The construction's not high quality, so I don't see the value there at $158 personally. I'm happy to have the bag because it's actually exactly something I was looking for, but that said, no way on earth I'd pay $158 for this thing. Not at all. Not on this planet, not on Mars, not on Uranus. So I'm happy about the bag to have it. I'm not happy about the way it's constructed, the finishes, and the BS valuation. So that's my thoughts on that. I'm definitely going to use it. So yeah. So for product selection number 2, you could choose between a tea tin set an anti-aging skincare set, recycled slipper socks, or a set of 4 dip bowls. And I went with the dip bowls because I just have an affinity for miniature bowls and I just don't know why, and it's not healthy. I know, I'm aware. So let me take these out. So they're like a cream and blue, and here are the designs. Like, they're really cute. I don't know why, I just love little bowls. I do, and I don't need them, and they're so cute, but I'm gonna keep them anyway because I love little bowls. So let me read to you a little bit more about these. So these are $40 value, and they're from the brand Be Home, which is female-led, cruelty-free, and vegan. Inspired by the understated modernity and entrepreneurial spirit of the West Coast, Be Home creates quality homewares with a sea breeze of serene style. Taking cues from an evening sky or the coastline at dusk, the deep blues and playful shapes bring an elevated sense of polish and sophistication to any table spread, perfect for a party snack like hummus, dips, or the California favorite, chips and guac. And then it says Be Home has focused on building relationships with families and women-owned artisan groups, multi-generational craftsmen, and independent makers around the world. They are a family-owned company. So I'm very pleased with these little bowls that I did not need, but I find impossibly charming. And so I'm gonna make sure these make their way downstairs. For the third choice, there are 3 options. There was a beanie, a table runner, and then the item I chose, which is a little wallet. And it's really cute. It also came in a little dust bag. It is from Lark and Ives, and I was actually kind of on the market for a wallet too, so this came at a perfect time. It has so many slots for cards, and that is what I was looking for. My multiple cards that aren't used frequently solution right now was a kind of more like a business card book, because it holds all of my gift cards, all of the credit cards I barely ever touch, stuff like that. And I think this is just going to be a sleeker solution. It also has several compartments for dollars, or if you need to carry a check in here, or maybe you have a long gift certificate or a coupon. So I'm quite fond of that. It's got a zipper in the back here for change, and it's a button closure, and it's a beautiful deep like burgundy type of color. I am quite happy about getting this. So let me read to you a little bit about it. It is a $56 value from Lark and Ives in a rich Bordeaux. Okay, it's a Bordeaux. This vegan leather wallet is a sleek, streamlined staple. Thoughtful details like the exterior zip pocket for coins, the snap closure, and the classic conventional shape make it an effortless everyday pick. Named after sanguine migratory birds, Lark and I don't know that one word. I'm not even going to pretend I did. Lark and Ives finds inspiration in distant destinations and everyday journeys. Made by women for women, the international beautifully crafted and vegan leather accessories combine sleek silhouettes with practical minimal designs. So this is an AAPI women-owned business, 100% vegan materials, female-led, small business, cruelty-free, vegan. Very pleased with this wallet, and I cannot wait to go transfer all my goodies into it after this video. So very excited about it. So for the 4th product selection, there were 2 options. There was the one I chose, and then there was a hand and foot cream duo. So what I chose is from Lamino, and they are treasure earrings, $49 value. So let me take them out of this little package. And they are thread through earrings. They're rose gold with 3 little circle rose gold charms, and they are the kind that just thread right through the ear, which I've never had a pair like that, and I'm really excited about. And rose gold matches my rings that I wear, so it should be a really pretty combo. I think these are gonna look just gorgeous dangling on the ear, so I'm really happy about that. Let me read to you about those. Sleek, smart, stylish, made and designed in LA by an all-female artisan team, these earrings add a little city sparkle to any holiday party look, towing the line between minimalist and statement making. The real rose gold plated brass makes this pair of a sophisticated on-trend staple. It's women run and owned, made in the USA, sustainable, female-led, and small business. So I'm really excited about these. I've always wanted to try like thread through earrings and just never got around to buying any, so I'm jazzed about these ones. So for the 5th category, you could choose between nail polish, eucalyptus shower steamers, or this revitalizing brow enhancing serum. So here is the box, really sleek rose gold, and it's from Brow Atelier. Let's open it up and take a look. So it is this really sleek rose gold clicky pen, and it looks like the serum comes out in the brush on the end, and then you just apply to your eyebrows. Let's read about this. I just thought this sounded interesting. So let's see. Revitalizing Brow Enhancing Serum by the Brow Atelier. If the eyes are the window to the soul, that makes your brows the frame. Interesting. Changing your brow shape can have a remarkable impact on the way your face looks. If you've been needing to do a little restoration work, looking at you, recovering over pluckers, this brow serum is for you. Made with all clean ingredients and fully cruelty-free formula, this brow enhancing serum restores sparse and thinning brows naturally, encouraging growth with all natural ingredients. Apply daily before bed and see results between 4 and 6 weeks. So it's vegan and cruelty-free, clean ingredients, whatever that means, paraben, sulfate, and phthalate free, small business, cruelty-free, vegan, and a $70 value. So to be blunt, ain't no way in hell I'd pay $70 for this, and I highly doubt whatever these ingredients are worth $70. Yeah, don't think so. And I really don't know if I believe it's gonna do anything, but I thought it would be fun just to try. So I'm gonna give it a go. I already have quite full eyebrows, so I figured let's just see if we can get these suckers bushy as hell, right? That'll be fun. This will be a fun little experiment. And the 6th and final product choice was between laundry and linen sprays, silicone baking cups, or this item right here, which this container is going to look really familiar to you if you just watched my December Vegan Cuts beauty unboxing. It is the Melting Mud Cleansing Mask. The one that came in the Vegan Cuts was for your hair. This one is for your face. So I guess Mud Masky just happens to make lots and lots of masks for various uses. So this is the 3-in-1 formula for sensitive skin, replaces your morning cleanser. It's a mild cleansing, pore cleansing, balancing, energizing, hydrating, blah 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 blah. So that is that. Let's read about it, shall we? It says it's a $59 value, which feels not correct, because if I remember correctly, the Vegan Cuts hair mask product was 20 something. I can't imagine there's anything in this one for the face that makes it so drastically more expensive, but we'll go with it, whatever. And let's see. A magical moment of morning self-care made from Moroccan lava clay, cucumber, and lots of botanicals. A nourishing swap for your morning cleanser, designed to clean your skin without stripping away its natural protective layer. All ingredients are transported by 100% electric vehicles. That's a very, very interesting flex, and I kind of like that. It's vegan and cruelty-free package. The packaging is sourced from sustainably managed forests. Mud Masky donates a percentage of profits every month to Sta Op voor Kinderen. So I guess it's a German charity? I don't know. An organization that works in Romania and the Dominican Republic to help provide goods and resources to children who need them. So sustainable, charitable, cruelty-free, and vegan. So I'm excited to give this a try. I like this whole replaces your morning cleanser thing. I'll have to read into that more. These are very, very tiny instructions, so I'm not going to sit here like this on camera, but I'm excited to give that a try. I'm actually really excited about pretty much everything I got in this box. Last box there was those measuring spoons that I still have just sitting in the plastic, not really knowing what to do with them because I didn't really need them, but I didn't want the other item. But these, I do plan on actually using all of these items. So I'm actually really excited about this month's box. So, with that said, I did forget to mention at the beginning of the video I am wearing a couple of items I recently got. So I'm wearing the Medusa's Makeup Sun Kissed Bronzer, and I went very, 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 very light-handed on this. I don't like to look super crazy bronzed to begin with. And when I dipped my brush, just barely dipped it in and then put it on my skin, the color was insane. I had to blend and blend and blend and blend to try and make it look semi-natural on me, so I'm definitely giving this away. This shade's unfortunately just way too dark for me, and I think it would look beautiful on someone else. It's a really rich, nice color, just not for me. The other item I'm wearing is from Artist Couture. It is the Golden Hour Diamond Lights Finisher. What did this come in? Was this in a Kinder Beauty box? So it is this really pretty product. Really lovely color. Let me show you on my eyes. So I don't know how it's going to come across on camera, but it is chunky, patchy glitter. When they say it's a finisher, they really mean something else needs to be laid down for color to be on your eye, and then this needs to just go on top. I'm debating on whether or not I want to keep it, because while it does have this gorgeous color to it, I don't know that it's something I'm going to reach for just because of the fussiness of it all. I'm not going to do a whole eye look just to top it off with this. I'm just going to grab for a gold glittery eyeshadow that's not going to be as fussy as this and will give me pretty much the same look. So it's gorgeous, it's beautiful. It's maybe not for me. If you are someone that doesn't mind putting in a little extra time to get that bubblegum look, this is a really cool product. I don't see how it could be used on the cheeks as a highlighter personally, because it is just too chunky. I could see maybe it being applied on the lips over a color for a really beautiful gold glitter lip look, but I don't know, it's a little fussy for me. I'm debating giving it away. I haven't decided yet. So those are the two products I'm wearing that I wanted to share with you guys. I also wanted to share that I have been posting on Amandaphenomenon.com, link down in the description if you're interested in checking out some of my musings and thoughts and whatnots that I don't share here on the channel, just other interests and things. I also will have everything I'm wearing to a certain degree, things that I can find and link down below. And otherwise, thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're interested in sticking around, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.